Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this video is mainly related to Truefoundry. So Truefoundry is mainly hiring for software developer intern role. So if you are someone looking for an internship role, so this video would be related to internship. So this is a remote position. So if you are someone who is looking for a remote location, as many candidates nowadays are looking for remote roles, so this would be a great fit for you if someone is looking for a software development intern role. So this would be an internship role and a pre-placement offer. So the company name is Truefoundry, which is mainly hiring for software developer intern role. I would be giving a brief idea related to Truefoundry by visiting the page. We would be seeing that in few minutes. So apart from this, they have mentioned a specific thing that the experience that they are looking is freshers. So if you are a recent graduate and completed your graduation in recent years, then you can apply for this role. This is a fresher hiring process. So this would be an off-campus drive. Basically, you can apply with the help of the application process. Then you would be receiving a mail related to the shortlisting based on your key skills and the details that you have mentioned in resume. So eligibility that they have mentioned is bachelor's degree in science, IT or CS or equivalent. If you have the bachelor's degree or BTech in these fields or software domain fields, you can apply for this role. They would be paying you this amount for the period of the internship that you would be doing. Apart from this, this is a software engineering role and it is a front end role. So mainly if you are someone who is interested in front end domain based on UI UX, as well as if you have the skills related to HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you can apply for this role. So this would be a front end developer intern role at Truefoundry. So the office is mainly located at Bangalore, but this would be a remote role, work from home. You can apply for this position. This is a great chance to work as a intern at Truefoundry. Then based on your performance that you have done in those months, then it would be converted into full-time role. We'll walk in through the main details that Truefoundry has mentioned by visiting the page. I would be pasting the link in the description as well as in the comment box. If you face any difficulties, let me know. I would be rectifying it personally. So apart from this, you can see all the details. If you visit the page of Truefoundry, you can see save and apply. So you can apply as soon as possible. Then apart from this, that they have mentioned is software engineering front-end developer intern role. So they have mentioned the salary structure. You can read the details. This would be a remote position. No experience required, that they have mentioned. You can see clearly that they have mentioned no experience required. So this would be an internship plus full-time role. You can apply for this role. So this is mainly recently active. They are actively hiring. So you can see apply as soon as possible. Then they have mentioned some of the details like skills. You should know JavaScript, you should know HTML, you should know CSS, React.js and Wave.js. So these are the key important skills that if you are a recent graduate and looking for internship, so you can apply for this role. So you should have these skills. Apart from this, that they have mentioned about job. So you can see, so in this role you would be closely working with some of the founders at Truefoundry. You can see and read all the details. And the requirement that they have mentioned is strong knowledge of JavaScript fundamentals. Oops concept, that I have recently made a video related to top 50 interview questions that are basically asked for Oops object oriented programming as well as web concepts with relevant experience in building web apps at scale. You should have strong understanding of semantic HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I would be sure definitely making a next video on top HTML and CSS interview questions that are mainly asked in all the previous years in any interview of software developer. Then experience or familiarity with React.js or Wave.js, building tools like WebPage, Rollup. Then you should have curiosity to go in depth of code bases and libraries and have ability to set it up from scratch. You should familiar with server-side rendering, SSR and website SEO, experience with data-driven decision making. Then what you would be doing is they have mentioned. Then some of the key benefits that if you are working at Truefoundry, you should have, you would be getting these benefits. You can see those as well. So I have told that the key responsibility, this is a front end role. If you are interested in doing this as a front end developer and moving on to the domain, there will be a remote role. You can apply for this role. So yeah, all the best. And this update is mainly related to Truefoundry hiring for software developer intern as a front end developer for remote position. So if you are interested, you can definitely apply for this role, and all the best.